Hello and welcome to Kopi with KP. Now, in this series, I will be having my simmering hot cup of Kopi and very special guests from the industry who would share some great insights and something very interesting about their personal life that we may not know. Today, I have a very special guest. He has almost 17 years of experience in IT industry and has been leading DevOps and digital transformation journey for PDAI Financial for last 7.5 years. I would like to welcome Pak Jono, VP IT Technology Applications from PDAI Financial.
Hello, selamat
Hello,
pagi,
selamat pagi.
morning.
Good morning, sir. You are having your cup of coffee, I hope.
Yeah, here's my coffee.
Great. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. So I think straight away to some interesting questions, Pa. I think insurance industry, I think you are working there for almost 7.5 years now and have been leading the charge for DevOps and digital transformation. What I want to understand from you, Pa, is what exactly does it mean for the insurance industry to do digital transformation?
Yeah, okay. Thanks, KP. So yeah, I think it's a bit different with the other fintech like banking, yeah, for insurance, because for banking they have like mass transaction. So I think the keywords for them is for customer to do it quickly and easy, right? For all those transactions that they do daily. But for insurance, I think it's a bit different. So insurance, yes, digital transformation that strive us to adopt new technology, of course. But at the same time, actually, we cannot omit the personal touch when we are interacting with our customer. So I believe that actually digital transformation for insurance is actually we have to lift up the quality of our interaction with our customer to become closer, more personalized, and then without boundaries regarding time and place. So you see, with this condition, this pandemic condition, actually it plays a very important role, this digital interaction with our customer. So it brings us to another level actually to communicate, to interact with our customer. I think that's the meaning for us.
I think this is very interesting that on one side you're talking about getting digital and getting personal at the same time, where you are going to interact through to your customers through their personal devices in a way, right?
Yes.
Or laptop or tablets or phones,
Smartphone.
and you want, yeah, exactly. So it's a very delicate balance where a personal touch through digital media. Correct. And you
Correct.
need to work on the customer experience part of it so that the customers don't miss out on that personal touch from their interactions with the insurance company. So my
Yeah, sure.
curious question to you is, what exactly are the challenges that you foresee for this kind of personal touch customer experiences through digital transformation?
Yeah, I think the challenge is that we have to face, because I think insurance industry, we are not up to the speed like other fintech like banking. So the first thing that we face when we want to adopt this technology or this demand quickly is that we are facing system issues. So like performance, stability, scalability. So those kind of things I think will become the challenge for us. So because those interaction while happening with our customers, we have to ensure that the quality is good. It doesn't require like you say to your customer, please hook up with a stable internet connection, then you can connect with us. You cannot force our customer to that, right? And I think especially in Indonesia, we have to work out with the situation like the low bandwidth, unstable network. So yeah, those kind of thing, I think from a technology point of view, we have to face it. The business will always just want to tell us that we need system that is stable. We need the system that can work within the boundaries that we have right now. You cannot tell that those are like limitation for us to do the business swiftly with our customer, right? So yeah, I think that's the main issue. And then I think the second thing is that the rapid time to market. So yeah, as I speak, because we are like chasing the situation where we are behind of the competitors of the other fintechs. So right now, the time to market is very important, and all our competitors are doing the same. So ability to put the solution in time and then quickly to the market is very key to the success of this transformation.
Especially with the cloud adoption, I think the power of computing has come to even startup companies. They can scale very fast, use the powerful machines to come up with the new solutions. So how much do you see the power of cloud computing and DevOps getting utilized in insurance industry today?
Yeah, of course. So I think open source is the head of all the traditional products that we have in the past. So how the technology works, how is it developed, how it scale and then operate. So it is like really in different space, and that's what we need actually. And open source also, while we have a lot actually, but actually it integrates well each other. So it's really different with the traditional apps that we are dealing with in the past, where they usually have a complete suite. They say they have it, but then when you see that there is something that is like not really well developed, and you see those features in other products, the issue is that it cannot be integrated well. So it's very different. Open source is like you are choosing like from the best breed of each of the platform or features, and then you combine it together, and that's like already built from scratch to be able to integrate with each other. So that's one of the strengths, I think. And then I think from the point of like manpower, as we know that it is our challenge to get like developers, system analysts, business analysts who's able to cope with the technology quickly. But actually, it also brings a lot of excitement for them. So when they know actually that we are using this open source new technology, it is like bringing a challenge that they really want to take. Yeah, it's very different when you said that our company is still using these traditional apps. Can you join with us? And then they just I'm maybe certified with those kind of thing, but it doesn't bring the hype for them to join us. So I believe that this kind of thing also help us actually to find the resource that we need to do this.
I agree. I mean, you are saying that especially by adoption of open source technologies, you are trying to stay ahead of your competition in terms of cost effectiveness, innovation, and agility. But great to hear your insight. I would like to ask something very different. What has been your hobby? I mean, we all have been tied up at our homes and for last 6-7 months, and I think many people are finding new hobbies and trying to engage themselves differently in the work also. But what has been your hobby? I'm very curious to know about it.
So my hobby is that I'm riding a motorcycle. I like to travel. So I think that's kind of suit with this situation, because traveling like using plane right now is very difficult. So you need to enjoy your countries, right? So one way to enjoy your countries is actually traveling on the road, by road. So and riding motorcycle for me is like bringing a lot of enjoyment, and I'm able to enjoy the road really well, not like when I'm driving a car. So that's my new hobby actually, riding motorcycle a lot right now.
What machine you use? What machine you have?
What machine? I'm driving a Kawasaki Vulcan S.
Wow, wow. So you have a group which you go together biking and all in Indonesia?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
but yeah, you know that with this limited situation, yeah, we need to be aware of course, to to have those kind of like traveling, right?
Okay,
So it has not, yeah, it's right now have not happened in a very big group. Yeah, of
okay,
course.
okay. Good, that's good, that's good.
Quick getaway that we can get in our, yeah, busy
Great,
activities.
great. So you are
Yeah.
charting your own path in this COVID-19 and engaging in your hobby in a new way. At the same time, driving a new path for your organization in DevOps and digital transformation. Great to
Yeah.
have you today, Pak, over
Yeah.
coffee. Let's have one more cheer before we end this session. Thanks, Pak. All the
Yeah.
best.
Thank
Thank
you. All the
you.
best.